I will tell about Jack and the Beanstalk story. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. He lived with his mother. They were very poor, and all they had was a cow. One morning, Jack's mother told Jack to take their cow to market and sell it. On the way, Jack met a man. He gave Jack some milk cream for the cow. Jack took the bill and went back home. When Jack's mother saw the bill, she was very angry. She threw the bill out of the window. The next morning, Jack looked out of the window. There was again Beanstalk. He went outside and started to swim the beanstalk. He climbed up to the sky past the horizon. Jack saw a beautiful castle. He went inside. Jack heard a voice, "Free fry for fun." Jack ran into a cupboard. And in a morning, came into the room and sat down. On the table, there was a mint and a golden cup. "Lay," he said again. The hen laid and said, "It was made of gold." "Sing," he said again. The cup began to sing. Soon, the cat was asleep. Jack jumped out of the cupboard. He took the hen and the harp. Suddenly, the harp sang, "Help, master." The cat woke up and took 3, 5, 4 pounds. Jack ran and started climbing down the beanstalk. The cat came down after him. Jack stood, "Mother, help." Jack's mother took an axe and chopped down the beanstalk. The cat flew and passed to the ground. Nobody was on the with the golden eggs and the milk cow. Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. The Three Little Pigs story. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. One pig built a house of straw. The second pig built his house with sticks. They built their house very easily and then sang and danced on it because they were lazy. The third little pig worked hard on it and built his house with bricks. A week later, saw the why they danced and ate and talked. What good can there be? They will make. He passed the 2 pigs and they ran and hid in their house. The big bad wolf went to the first house and howled and howled and yelled. The house down in the private little pig ran to the second pig's house. That was made of brick. The big bad wolf now came to the house and huffed and puffed and The countdown is unbeginning now. Now the two little pigs were to the pit and left to the third pig's house. That was the end of pigs. The big bed was tied to come and talk and growl. The house is down, but he could not. He gave time for house, but the house was really strong, and the little pigs were safe inside. He tried to enter the chimney, but the third little pig boiled a big pot of water and gave it below the chimney. The goat fell into it and died. The two little pigs now were slowly forgetting the Soresi. They could build their house with it and didn't to be affected. This story is beautiful. We need to have patience between something in order to achieve success and harmony. Thank you.